Vinyl windows have become a popular choice for homeowners in Slidell because they are durable, energy efficient, and low maintenance. They offer a sleek appearance and perform well in the area's humid climate, providing reliable insulation and comfort year-round. While vinyl windows are known for their long-lasting performance, proper care and maintenance can help maximize their lifespan and keep them looking and functioning like new. One of the most important maintenance practices is regular cleaning. Dust, pollen, and debris can accumulate on both the glass and the frame, reducing clarity and potentially affecting operation. Use a soft cloth or sponge with mild soap and water to clean vinyl frames and glass. Avoid abrasive cleaners, harsh chemicals, or steel wool, which can scratch or damage the surface. Cleaning windows regularly ensures they remain visually appealing and allows homeowners to spot any potential issues early. Keeping window tracks and rollers free of debris is another key aspect of maintenance. For sliding or operable vinyl windows, dirt and dust can accumulate in the tracks, making it harder to open and close the window smoothly. Regularly vacuum or wipe down the tracks, and consider applying a silicone-based lubricant to keep the mechanisms operating smoothly. This simple step can prevent wear and tear on the hardware and extend the life of the windows. Inspecting weather stripping and seals is essential to maintain energy efficiency and prevent air or water leaks. Vinyl windows rely on tight seals to keep hot, humid air out during summer and maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Over time, seals can become worn or damaged, especially in high humidity environments like Slidell. Checking for gaps or cracks and replacing damaged weather stripping ensures your windows remain airtight and energy efficient. Another maintenance tip is to monitor the caulking around the window frame. Exterior caulking protects against moisture intrusion, which can cause mold or damage to surrounding walls. Check the caulking for cracks, gaps, or peeling, and reapply as needed. Maintaining a good seal around the frame helps prevent water damage and contributes to the overall durability of your vinyl windows. Avoid excessive force when operating windows. Vinyl windows are designed to be easy to open and close, but using too much force can damage the frame, hardware, or seals. Encourage household members to handle windows gently and ensure that locks, cranks, and latches are functioning properly. This reduces the risk of mechanical issues and keeps your windows performing smoothly. For homes near the coast or in areas prone to storms, like Slidell, it is also important to inspect windows after severe weather. Check for loose frames, cracks, or any damage caused by wind, flying debris, or heavy rain. Early detection and timely repair of damage can prevent more serious problems, such as water infiltration or compromised energy efficiency. Periodic professional inspections are another way to ensure long-term performance. Experienced window contractors can identify potential issues that may not be obvious to homeowners, such as slight frame warping, misaligned sashes, or worn seals. Scheduling a professional check every few years helps maintain your window's functionality and extends their lifespan. Vinyl windows are also resistant to fading and corrosion, but minimizing direct exposure to harsh chemicals can help preserve their appearance. Avoid using products like bleach or solvent-based cleaners near the frame, and rinse off any fertilizer, salt, or other outdoor chemicals that may contact the window surface. Proper care keeps the vinyl looking fresh and prevents discoloration over time. Finally, address minor issues promptly. If you notice that a window is sticking, not closing fully, or showing signs of condensation, address the problem early. Quick action prevents small problems from escalating into costly repairs and ensures that your windows continue to provide comfort, energy efficiency, and protection for your home. In conclusion, vinyl windows in Slidell can provide long-lasting performance and aesthetic appeal when properly maintained. Regular cleaning, track and seal inspection, gentle operation, weatherproofing, and timely repairs all contribute to their durability. By following these maintenance tips, homeowners can enjoy energy-efficient, attractive, and fully functional vinyl windows for many years, making them a smart investment in both comfort and value.